1 point can be worth 2 cents or half a cent. Same point, same card, totally different outcome. The only difference is which redemption path you pick, and almost nobody checks both before booking. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 rules and 1 decision tree that settles this every single time. Let's start with what these 2 paths actually are, because the terms get thrown around loosely. Path 1, the bank's own travel portal, where points act like cash toward flights, hotels, or cars. Path 2, transferring points to an airline or hotel partner and booking an award seat or award night with them. Same point balance, 2 completely different value calculations, and that's the whole game. Rule 1, know your fixed value portal rate before you compare anything else. Capital One miles book at 1 cent each through their portal, against any travel purchase you've made. Amex Pay with points on Amex Travel is typically weaker, often under 1 cent per point on flights. Chase Sapphire Reserve and similar premium cards can push portal value to 1. 5 cents through points boost pricing on certain flights. The fixed value math is simple. Points divided into the cash price tells you your real rate, no guessing. If a flight costs $400 and takes 20,000 points through the portal, that's 2 cents per point. Write that number down before you book anything else. Fixed value portals shine when there's no award availability, or when the cash price is unusually low. This is your baseline. Every transfer decision from here gets measured against this number. Rehook. That baseline number is about to get blown up, because Rule 2 is where portals quietly outperform transfers. Rule 2. Portal pricing beats the award chart when cash fares are cheap or dynamic pricing spikes. Award charts are fixed or dynamic point costs set by the airline or hotel directly for their own inventory. When a route has a rock-bottom cash fare, say $150 domestic, a fixed one, 5-cent portal rate crushes almost any transfer redemption. That's because the airline's own award chart doesn't care that the cash fare dropped. It often charges the same points regardless. Off-peak domestic flights, short-haul hops under 3 hours, and heavily discounted economy fares are classic portal win scenarios. Hotels work the same way. A $1.90 off-season weeknight rate rarely justifies transferring to a hotel program's award chart. The tell is simple. Divide the cash price by the points required through the transfer partner, then compare that to your portal rate. If the transfer math comes in under your portal baseline, stop transferring and just book the portal rate instead. This single check alone prevents most of the point-wasting mistakes people make on short or discounted trips. Open loop. But there's one move that can flip this entire equation overnight: transfer bonuses. Rule 3. Transfer bonuses can add 20 to 50% value overnight, but only during limited windows. Banks periodically run promotions where transferring points to a partner gets you bonus miles on top, often 20 to 30%. A 30% bonus means 100,000 points suddenly become 130,000 miles in the partner account for the same transfer. This can flip Rule 2 math entirely. A transfer that looked weak at baseline value can become the stronger choice mid-promotion. The catch: these bonuses are time-limited, usually days to a few weeks, and they are program-specific, not universal. Timing rule: never transfer speculatively hoping for a bonus later. Only transfer once you have a confirmed award seat or room held. Points transferred to airline or hotel partners are final and non-reversible on almost every program. So the sequence matters. Find your award space first, confirm it's bookable, then execute the transfer during an active bonus. Set alerts for your most used transfer partners so you're not scrambling when a bonus window opens and closes fast. Rehook. Even with the math sorted, one factor wrecks more trips than bad pricing flexibility, and that's Rule 4. Rule 4. Portal bookings and transfers have opposite flexibility profiles, and that changes which one you should pick. Portal bookings are often ticketed through the bank's own travel agency, which can complicate changes with the actual airline. Some portals allow free cancellation within 24 hours, but after that you're negotiating through the bank, not the airline directly. Transferred and booked award tickets are usually held directly with the airline or hotel, so their standard award change rules apply. That often means more predictable, sometimes free, award changes and cancellations compared to a portal booking's added layer. If your trip dates are uncertain or likely to shift, that flexibility gap alone can outweigh a small pricing advantage on the portal side. Business and long-haul international trips, where plans change most, generally favor the transfer and book direct path for this reason. Short, locked-in trips where your dates are certain are exactly where the portal's simplicity becomes a strength, not a weakness. So flexibility isn't a tiebreaker you check last. For uncertain trips, it should be one of the first things you weigh. Open loop. Now let's put rules 1 through 4 into a single tool you can run in under 2 minutes. Rule 5. Run this 5-step decision tree on any trip before you touch a single point. Step 1. Check your fixed value portal rate for this exact flight or hotel and write down the cents per point number. Step 2. Check the transfer partner's award chart or dynamic price for the same dates and calculate its cents per point value. Step 3. Check if an active transfer bonus applies to that partner right now and recalculate the transfer value with it included. Step 4. Compare both final numbers side by side. Whichever cents per point is higher wins the pricing round. Step 5. Apply the flexibility check from Rule 4. If your dates might change, weight that toward the transfer and book direct option. If pricing and flexibility both point the same direction, that's your answer. No further debate needed. If they conflict, a small pricing edge from the portal usually isn't worth losing the flexibility of a direct airline booking on a long trip. Run this same 5-step check every time, and the 2-cent versus half-cent gap from the intro stops happening to you. Let's recap the 5 rules fast, because together they cover every redemption decision you'll ever face. Rule 1. Know your fixed portal rate first. It's your baseline for every comparison. Rule 2. Let cheap cash fares and discounted hotel nights push you toward the portal, not the transfer. Rule 3. Use transfer bonuses to boost value, but only after award space is confirmed and held. Rule 4. Weigh flexibility separately from price, especially on trips where dates could shift. Rule 5. Run the 5-step tree every time so the decision takes minutes, not guesswork. Your next move. Pull up your next trip right now and run these 5 steps before you book anything. Check the cards and portals linked in the description if you're building out a points strategy from scratch. If this saved you from wasting a redemption, subscribe. We break down 1 points mechanic like this every week.